Well, it won't much matter whether it's sunny or raining or snowing tomorrow, Tamara. Everyone's going to be glued to their TV set.
Yeah, big day. Tomorrow's a big day today. We had a fantastic day. 3 golds and a bronze. Everybody's happy. And I kind of have deja vu. I was standing in this exact spot at 2:30 during CTV News. And this girl was standing in the exact same spot with her gold chocolate medal and her scene. Have you moved since 2:30?
No.
Oh my goodness, she hasn't moved since 2:30. Let's show you what's happening with the weather right now. Told you everybody was in a good mood. Still a few showers to get through right now. I'd call it drizzle right outside of the CTV studios. It's starting to dry out. We do have some sunshine in store, and I tell you, tomorrow is definitely a gold medal afternoon. I will have more details on our weather in just a few minutes.
Thank you, Tamara. And the final Saturday night of the Olympics has this city soaking up every last minute.
We'll have the latest on the earthquake in Chile and the Olympic road closures planned for tomorrow next as CTV News Winter Games edition continues. This has become one of the signature shots of these games, the cauldron burning in Cole Harbor with the golden rings behind it.
That's right, 13 golden times. And here's the crowd. They're always very excited.
A warm and welcoming crowd. As Tamara joins us with the weather.
Yeah, the drizzle has stopped for now, and I think I found my favorite thing in the crowd so far over the last 16 days. A paper mache muck-muck, homemade at home. You guys, be gentle around the muck-muck. Gentle. Gentle around the muck-muck. Seriously, that is good stuff. All right, let's show you what's happening with our weather. We have a very small ridge that's moving in, but it'll do its job and keep us nice and dry tomorrow. The next system is already pushing onto the north and central coast, and then that low in behind it will move our way as we get into Tuesday. So Haida Gwaii and coastal sections of the north coast looking at strong southeasterly winds up to 90 kilometers an hour. You can expect to be wet and windy in Massett, Prince Rupert, Terrace. You'll start with flurries. It'll quickly change to rain, and so will Smithers, quickly changing to rain later in the day. For St. John, Fort Nelson, nice and sunny. You have some morning showers to get through in Bella Coola. That'll ease through the day with some sunshine. Clearing through the day in Prince George, Quesnel, and Williams Lake, and Hope looking at a few showers in the morning, and then we start to cool down. I just got very distracted, and I'll show you why in a second. My poor camera guy has no idea why, but we'll show you in a second. Okay. Clearing through the day in the southeastern sections, lots of sunshine in Nelson. As we move over to the south coast, this is what it looks like as we get into tomorrow. So tonight we still have a few scattered showers to get through. It's clearing as the night goes on, and then by dinner time tomorrow things are looking nice and clear, and we will end things here, our Olympic experience, with some sunshine. So showers in the afternoon in Port Hardy with that system. Everywhere else, a slight chance in the morning, clearing in the afternoon. You will stay cloudy into Fino. Showers or a slight chance of showers in the morning in Powell River, Sechelt, Squamish, and Whistler. Clearing in the afternoon to some sunshine. And Metro Vancouver, more of the same, 10 degrees. We have a bit of drizzle to deal with in the morning, or a slight chance of showers and afternoon sunshine. So scattered showers continuing tonight, 8 degrees in the morning. There's that slight chance of a shower. We get into some sunshine. That'll take us into our Monday. What a perfect day as we start to clean things up. Tuesday, back to a new system, and Wednesday, mix of sun and cloud. Okay, I'll get you guys to move for a sec so we can, I don't know what is going on here. Honestly. You guys are out of control. Are you okay?
I love you so much.
Oh, I love you too, I think.
Love you.
You guys, your eyes are through. That's just creepy. All right, so that's what's going on out here, you guys. Nuts.
Just another day at the office. Games edition. This is the scene tonight at Robson and Burrard, but follow the cameras as we move past our site down towards Robson Square. It's just a mass of people.
Thousands of people. It's quite unbelievable. There they are, just walking around.
And lots of families.
Having a great time, yeah.
Older people, younger people.
Happy crowd once
Painted
again.
people, not so painted people.
Lots of costumes and flags.
Visit us here at Robson and Burrard anytime between noon and midnight to watch our live broadcasts or try your hand at anchoring.
What do Whistler-rights do after a long day of skiing? The same thing every other Canadian is doing.
This shot scores! 2-0 Canada.
You're the best team ever, and hockey is Canada's game.
Canada will get a chance to bring home the gold.
I wouldn't sell it for $1 million. What time is the party going to start Sunday morning? It's starting right now. The Vancouver 2010 Olympic Winter Games are on CTV.